Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical answers for PC Jeweler. PC Jeweler is the ticker name too, and you are watching the monthly technical chart of the stock, and this is the historical price chart. Here each candle represents 1 month, and these are all the technical indicators and their respective graphs generated to do the technical analysis for this stock. If you look at the historical price path pattern of the stock, I am taking this particular point as origin. Since April 2014 onwards, the stock started moving in upward direction, consistently making new highs. This is new high 1, this is new high 2, new high 3, and new high 4. Okay, and right now the stock is in the consolidation phase. Okay, and the path pattern of the stock is after every new high, it is making a consolidation. New high consolidation, new high consolidation, and new high consolidation. Okay, so this is how the path pattern has been so far. And okay. Now we after this consolidation phase, if this stock follows the same it's a historical path pattern, then it has to make a trend line towards the upward direction. That means this kind of line will form here. Okay, so let's see whether it is going to do that or not. The stock has already crossed its 20 and 50-day moving average, and it is right now under the influence of positive support trend mode. Very good. If you look at the relative strength of the stock, it is already peaking up on top of the 80 line. That's good. Directional strength of the stock is it's okay, because if you look at the positive and negative directional lines, they both are diverging and they are pointing towards the they are looking downward. Okay, so that is it's like a 50-50 kind of thing. Stochastics, if you look at the stochastics, both lines are playing near the top of the line, near the top line, and yeah, the fast line is on top of the slow line, and that's very good. It's and both are diverging. If you look at the tip of the stochastics, both are diverging. That's a very good sign. And yeah, and sorry, and yeah, if you look at the momentum is picking up. Yeah, the momentum is picking up, and momentum is playing on top of the baseline, and it is picking up. It is looking in the upward direction. That's very good. Price volume is it is changing, but not spiky. It's like no, I think some block deals are happening here. We can clearly see that. And recently some deal has happened. It seems in August 2017, and after the deal, we are seeing no spikes. After August 2017, we are seeing no spikes. Okay, and balance of power and LRA both are in sync with each other, and so they both are telling us that the stock is clearly in the bullish phase. And Kopeck curve is is in the buy zone right now. He is telling the stock is in the buy zone. Very good. And if you look at the Kopeck curve, the way it is moving, if you look at the tip of the curve, it is moving in the upward direction. So that is a rising direction. Actually, that's good. That's a good sign. Yeah, all this indicates that the price of the stock, except a directional strength, it indicates more or less they are near to the benchmark, and maybe because of the consolidation phase they are near to the benchmark or just paying below the benchmark. Otherwise, the stock, if you look at the path pattern, it is consistent. Consistently, the stock had been making new highs, which you can clearly see. I am keeping the crosshairs here. Though this new high and though the difference between this high and this high is very slight, but somehow, it is like at least a few rupees high it has made. It crossed its peak, the previous peak price here, but here in August 2017, it has clearly made a peak, and that time it was trading at around I think it is around 400. I think 400, and today it is stock is trading around 383, nearly 70 rupees less than its peak price. That's okay. But anyway, we are the path pattern is very clear, and the trend is moving in the upward direction, and strength of the stock is also good. So, and PC Jeweler has good popular is a popular brand right now. It's online jewelry kind of stuff. So considering all these things, I feel like as per me, this stock can be considered for long-term investment. You can clearly see that since 2014 onwards, for the past 3 years, 10 months, the stock had been consistently making new highs and is proving itself. So on top of that, the indicators are also good. The guiding points of the indicators are also good, most of them, and momentum is also good. So I feel like as per me, considering all these points, the conclusion is the stock can be considered for long-term investment. Okay guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.